tó ẹ̀kọ́júmọ́ mọ́ níbi gbogbo tọ́jà ìkànnì amóhùnmáwòrán DIGINAIJA TV ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tó dé lórílẹ̀‐èdè wa Nàìjíríà káàkiri ilẹ̀ káàrọ̀ oòjíire gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ tí mọ̀ pé aláǹfààní àti mọ̀ lọ káàkiri kalẹ̀ mọ́ wa fún yín bó ṣe gbóná fẹ́lifẹ́li ọ̀rọ̀ lórí gbajúgbajà olùgbóhùnsáfẹ́fẹ́ ní KOLA OLOOTU lẹ́yìn tí arákùnrin kan ti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tó ti jáde wá láti wá fi ẹ̀sùn kan pé ó gba owó ilé lọ́wọ́ ẹnìkan lẹ́yìn tí ó kọ̀ láti fún ẹni náà ní ilé ọ̀rọ̀ ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ògbẹ̀nù tán. Ǹjẹ́ ẹ̀yin lérò pé bàbá lè ṣe eléyìí nítorí gbajúgbajà náà ni bàbá ṣùgbọ́n láì dènà pẹ̀lú ẹ̀wá kan fìdílé tàbí kẹfìdílé kan kẹjẹ kájọgbọ́ àlàyé ọ̀rọ̀ náà lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́.
This man you're seeing on my screen, his name is Baba KOLA OLOOTU, and many of us are very, very familiar with him. So sometimes ago, Baba KOLA OLOOTU made an advertisement about a land called Wura and Fadaka. And on Thursday, 13th of March, somebody reached out to him and said, "Hello, sir, I am so. I saw your advert on Instagram, and I am interested in that Wura and Fadaka land." Baba replied and said, 800k per plot, for 2 plots upward only, 1 plot 1 million. The person said, "I want 2 plots, but in different names. I want them for my children." Baba said, "No problem, 2 plots in 2 agreements." The person sent the voice notes, and Baba dropped his account number, and as you can see, KOLA OLOOTU Productions Limited, Zenith Bank. And this person now, Baba said he should call. This person now called him, and Baba picked, and Baba later switched to video call by himself, so the person can confirm that truly he is the one. So after this, the person sent 1 million naira, and the person said, "I will send the balance by 12 a.m. tomorrow because of my transaction limit, sir. Please let me know when you confirm the payment, sir." And Baba said 1 million naira payment received. And after this, the person sent 600,000 naira again and said, "That's the balance, sir. Please confirm this too." Baba said received. And the person said, "Thank you, sir. When should we come for the allocation? And I hope we are among the first 20. Baba said, "Upper Saturday." "Oh yes." And the person said, "Thank you, Baba." So later on, Baba didn't say anything, but later they sent a broadcast that they should meet at Aro and Co property, that is at Samonda, that they should converge there and they will go to the place. So when they started going, what they told this person before during the advertisement was that the land is just like 2-minute drive away from the train station at Monia. But the first thing this person noticed was that the place was very far, and the person said they almost got to Iseyin before they got to that place. And every advertisement that they have been doing, they are only showing outside and not the real place. The person, when they got there, they said Baba came with escort and everything. They started allocating to people. This person did not hear his name, and this person was like, "What's going on?" This person now went to go and meet Baba KOLA OLOOTU and was like, "Baba, what's going on? They did not allocate any land to me." And Baba was like, "Can I see your payment receipt?" He showed Baba, and Baba said you should go and meet the owner of Aro and Co property. So the person went to go and meet him, and the owner of Aro and Co property said Baba did not remit any money to them, and that's why they are not allocating any land to them. And apparently the land belongs to Aro and Co property and not Baba KOLA OLOOTU. And the person was like, "What's all of this now?" Then Baba KOLA OLOOTU, he said Baba KOLA OLOOTU told him that he should mind the way he's talking to the owner of Aro and Co property, because that is their chairman. And the person was like, "Are you trying to teach me manners now?" I said, "Where is my land? You are telling me about manners." After the whole dragging, they shall resulted you to that they will give him another land. And since then, this person did not hear anything from Baba KOLA OLOOTU. So this person now texted him on Friday, 18th of April. This person said, "I haven't heard anything from Baba since that day. No allocation, no documentation." On Tuesday again, this person said, "Well, I realized sending you several messages or calls thinking everything will be fine is a mere waste of time. So I am done making trials. Let me be formal. I am no longer interested in buying any property from you again. I have given you more than enough time to make things right, but I realize you are not ready. I want a refund of my money. I won't bother you on the stress that I have gone through and the time and energy I have wasted." So now, the main reason for this video is that Baba is somebody that a lot of people used to respect and a lot of people used to look up to. So I believe something like this should not be coming from him. The account this person sent to is KOLA OLOOTU. So apparently it is Baba's account that received the money. So I am employing Baba to kindly refund this person his 1.6 million naira that is sent to you. This person said he is not interested in any land again. This is not about dragging you. This is about you telling you to refund money to the person that owns the 1.6 million naira. Baba like Jesse wa, a lè máa rí pé irú nǹkan báyìí ṣẹlẹ̀ ká máa gbọ́ pé orúkọ yín náà ń dárú nǹkan báyìí. Ẹ dá 1.6 million ẹlẹ́ni padà. Tẹ́ bá ti dówó ẹ̀ padà kò sí wàhálà. Ẹ dá owó ẹ̀ kẹ́ dá padà. Bless.
tọ́ ẹ káàbọ̀ padà ọ̀rọ̀ náà lè ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ lè ti bẹ́ẹ̀ ǹjẹ́ ẹ̀yin lérò pé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ò lè rí bẹ́ẹ̀ bí ṣùgbọ́n ìyàtọ̀ bá kọ sí yín bó bá ṣe rí létí yín gan ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá wa fi sọ sí abala àríwísí ìyẹn comment section kẹfà aláìkẹ́ ti bá ṣe ẹ̀kẹ́ sọ sáwọn olólùfẹ́ yín jákèjádò nàìjíríà ìkànnì DIGINAIJA TV àwa ní tiyín ní tòótọ́ a ó tún mọ báyìí pàdé nígbà mi lọ́jọ́ mi lórí ìkànnì kan náà ẹ ṣé fún wíwò àti gbígbọ́ tí ẹ̀ ń gbọ́ wa ṣókí báyìí náà ni ọbẹ̀ oge ànímọ́ rè jù báyìí lọ ó dàbọ̀.